are at the Pablo Bonito Pacifica Resort in Cabo, and now let's go and do a quick room tour of the oceanfront suite. So come with me. So this is our room, and it's very easy to open the room here because they give you a bracelet, which is your key, which is your payment method, and which is your friend throughout your stay here. So let's go inside. Welcome, come inside. So this is the oceanfront suite, as I mentioned. So first we're going to check out the best part of the room, which is the view. So come out first. Wow, look at that. Let's go. Come on out. So this is the view from the balcony of the oceanfront suite.
El río fluye, nunca solo está, solo está.
As you can see, the Pacific Ocean is right here. You get the amazing view of the beach, of the sea, of the ocean. It's everything all in together. And you know, you can see the resort as well. We'll go and check out the amenities and the pools and everything. But you can see like an oasis kind of a vibe, but beside a beach. And this is the balcony of the room. It is very huge. You can come in through the main area as well, and here you can come in through the bedroom as well. So you have kind of this double patio slash balcony feature. Now let's go back into the room. So this is the main area of this room. As you can see, as soon as you walk in, you have a working space. You have a small cabinet, and you have like a fridge which is stocked, and if it's all inclusive, everything is included with that. You have coffee, tea, and everything that's needed right here for your workstation. But I'm hoping that nobody comes here and works, so I hope that nobody uses this space. But coming on this side, we have the living area. You have a huge sofa. You have the TV, and you have two other sofas again and a coffee table. So if you do have in-room dining, or you just get some food and you want to relax, I think this would be a nice space. When we go to the restaurants, we'll talk about the in-room dining options as well. But if you are in the all-inclusive plan and staying in these suites with oceanfront views, you have 24/7 in-room dining. So you just scan the code, you go to their app, and you can order anything you want. Now let's go to the bedroom. Come inside. So this is the bedroom area. You can see there's a large king bed. There's also a seating area just by the bed. So it's a very, very huge room in addition to the living room. But again, the best part here is the view as well going out. So you get the amazing views from the bedroom as well. And you can just come here, sit here, read a book, relax, chill, and do whatever you want. Now we'll go and check out the rest of the resort and the amenities that are available. So let's go. So now I'm at the entrance of Pablo Bonito Pacifica Resort. It's about a 45-minute drive from the airport, and you can see as soon as you enter, it's just like views, views, and views. But we'll talk more about what's on the resort, what are the amenities. But first, come with me and let's start checking out the lobby, because I don't think you just want to see my face throughout the video. So let's go. Look at those views. This is just the kind of, vacation that I like. Chilling by the beach, having a drink, chilling by the pool, just looking at the waves. That's what Cabo is all about. But you can also do some adventures around. So we are now at the center of the resort. You can see we are in a beach, but it's a desert by the beach with all these cactus or cacti around. It's a very unique landscape. This particular property has 4 bars, 3 restaurants, and 2 pools right in this area. So now let's go to the restaurant and the pool and the bar areas and check them all out. So let's go. So we are now at the main restaurant of the property, Siempre. I hope I got the pronunciation right. They serve breakfast, lunch, dinner, like throughout the day. Starts very early in the morning, and You go anytime, you will find some or the other meal is just open and going on. They also have a separate bar area where you can just order drinks, sit and relax. You can also order them in the restaurant, but if you just want that bar vibe, like, you know, they have a separate space too. So this is another restaurant behind me that they only serve dinner. You need to make a reservation, and the name is Pescados. I hope I got the name right. And the cuisine is, you know, mostly inspired by Asian, but they'll have a touch of Mexican to it. So Asian Mexican fusion. And now let's go to the third restaurant. So we are now at the final restaurant, which is the Peninsula. They serve Mexican cuisine, and you can see it's just by the beach. Just amazing vibes. They also serve just dinner, and once the sun sets down, you'll see that they'll light up some fire. They'll have some music going on, and it's just a vibe to be here. They also have a separate bar area with like a DJ, and you know, that's also another vibe in itself. So now let's go check out the pool and other bars nearby the pool. So we are now in the pool area. So there are two pools here. One which is more quieter, relaxed, and just a chill vibe. There's one here where you can hear a lot of noise because it's a very happening pool, because the bar is right inside in the middle of the pool, and you can just swim up, go to the bar and order a drink and have it. But there are people there, so we're not shooting, but it's a total vibe. And finally, I think we've all heard a lot about food trucks in general, but they have a bar truck on the property. So that's our final stop, and let's go. So we are now at the bar truck, which is open every day from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. You can just go order some drinks, relax by the beach, and just a vibe, nice vibe, and some light music playing in the background. So it's not all just eating, swimming, chilling by the pool and drinking. There are a lot of activities that also happen, and they post a list of it every day. You can also check it out in their app, and you can sign up. And we chose an all-inclusive plan. Many of the resorts here in Cabo are all-inclusive, and this is one of them. So all your food, drinks, stay, everything is included in that. Even many of the activities, depending upon the plan you have chosen. So they'll take you to, you know, the arch. You'll have like a yacht tour, or you can go hiking. You can see the canyon. But again, depending upon the plan you choose, some are included, some are not. But you know, there's just a lot to do here in Cabo, Mexico. You can have either a very relaxing, chill weekend here, or do some adventure while soaking up all these views. So I hope that you choose this for your next vacation and have a nice vacation. Thank you for watching. This particular property has 3 or 4 sister properties, some which are very close by and some which you can just take a quick ride, which they'll provide as well. And on those properties, you can visit the restaurants, bars and pools as well. So with this, which I told you is your friendly bracelet, you can go to any of their properties and enjoy all the amenities.